Last year, I went solo traveling, but nothing could prepare me for what was to happen next. Disaster. I was experiencing freedom for the first time. I had money, I had time, and I had my health. But then all of a sudden, I lost it all. I spent the last 12 months getting it back, clearing my debts, paying my dues, squashing my pride. But now I have a new challenge, and I'm taking you with me. Six months to 100,000.
Good morning, folks. So, I am on my way to the gym. I'm going to pick up my granddad today, so I thought I'd make this video as I'm driving. This week's going to be a great week, and I'll tell you why. We started the week off with, well, this morning I received an email and basically giving me my account details for my live account for the second phase that I passed. So that went well. I think the only thing that was kind of in the back of my mind was that whether or not they're going to pass me for the minimum trading days, because obviously I placed a very small risk trade for those last two trades. So yeah, man, passed the account, got the passwords and the live account today. So now we've got 3 accounts that we're managing, guys. I need to sort out my copy trader and find out what way I'm going to be using these accounts. And I'm thinking that because my instant account is in drawdown by like 2%, I might take off my instant account and put the, what's it called, and put this new live account on the copy trader. And then once I hit payout day for this account, I'll put my instant account back on so that I can rotate, so that I'm never short of an account when it's time to withdraw and all of this stuff, because I know when it's time to withdraw and stuff, they put your account on hold and all of this and all of that, and I don't want to be missing out trading days, you know what I mean? So yeah, I think that's going to be my plan of action, but I'll let you know as soon as New York session hits. So yeah, I shall see you New York session.
New York session, folks, and I'm in on a trade. And yeah, let me show you. As you can see, you know my vibe. Push down, push up off of the order block, or a little retracement and break and push through. And tap in. That's my area to look for a trade. So that's what we're in on. It is a very, very heavy down day today. So it is quite a big chance that this is going to hit stop loss. So yeah, but is what it is. I done my job, and that is to simply follow my rules and take the trade. All right, and I'm out of the trade. Just like that, we done for the day. I'll see you tomorrow. Oh, by the way, my new account I didn't trade on today, and that's just because there's 2 more days till withdrawal date for my instant funded account. This means that I am currently in drawdown, so the aim really is to trade until the next couple of days, see if I can get out of drawdown. I'm now in 3% drawdown, I believe, for my instant funded. So if I can catch a 1 to 3 tomorrow, then we're good. But after withdrawal date, then I'll probably go live with my new account. My flip account is on £190 now. So back to what I started last week on. So imagine I started last week on 190. I finished on 202. This week we started on 202, and now we're back at 190, which is annoying, but it is what it is. So yeah, that's the update. And yeah, I'll see you tomorrow.
Good morning, guys. It is Tuesday, the 10th of February, 2026, and today I didn't go gym, so hence why I'm recording this from the living room. But yeah, I'm getting ready to go out. I'm going into London today, and because I'm going into London probably within the next 20 minutes. It's currently 11:40 p.m. Sorry, a.m. So I'm gonna mark up the charts, mark out my zones and stuff, and that way I can set price alerts. And if my price alert goes off, then I'll be able to check the charts and on my phone when I'm out and see if I can get an entry. Because if I'm trading on a 1 minute time frame, you know, my entries aren't you know, they're not based on a higher time frame, so I don't need the rest of the charts to be able to see that. So all I need is my price alerts, and we'll kind of take it from there. So yeah, let's see what happens today. And yeah, it's a crazy week today, by the way, guys. It's NFP this week, and as well as CPI and whatnot, because NFP was delayed from last week. So yeah, there's a lot of stuff going on. So let's see what's happening on the news today. We've got retail sales, red folder news at 1:30 p.m. and that is it. So I'm quite happy with that. So yeah, let's see what's good this week then, baby.
All right, so I'm just on the M-way coming back from London, and I just got a set up. I say just got a set up about 20 minutes ago. I got a set up for USD Chef longs, but it's now 4 p.m. and it hasn't tapped me in, so I've deleted my limit order. And yeah, no trade today. So we go again tomorrow. I'll see you then.
Good morning, guys. It is 11th of the 2nd, 2026, and it is Wednesday. Today, I am, obviously yesterday I didn't place a trade, but I was active to some degree. I wasn't glued to the charts, obviously I was out and about. But yeah, I just think of my setup. I didn't get a tap in, should I say. Today, I am also going to be going into London again. I'm gonna go see my dad and my grandma for an hour or so, and that's at around midday. But that's gonna be around New York session, so we'll see what happens. I believe there is, I think, CPI news today, I wanna say, I'm not too sure. But there's red folder news today at some point, so I'm not too crazy about being on the charts anyhow until after 1:30. But yeah, let's see if I get a chance to get on the charts. If not, then you know, I can't do anything. Do you know what I mean? I'm going to be trading on my live account next week, the one that I passed recently, and just that account next week instead of my instant account. So yeah, at least I've got 1 week to see if I can make some profit to be able to make a withdrawal for the 23rd. So that's going to be my goal. But as of the next couple of days, I'm going to be trading on my instant funded account, which is currently down by 3%. So let's see if I can get it out of drawdown and into profit, and yeah man, take it from there. So today we didn't get no trade, no setup. I wasn't even on the charts for long enough. So because of that, I wasn't trying to force anything. And yeah, I guess we're just gonna go from tomorrow. So I'll see you then. Morning, guys. It is Thursday the 12th of February 2026, and I went to work with my granddad this morning, and I just finished. It's 11:38. Obviously New York session starts in 20 minutes, and yeah, I just finished work and I haven't been to the gym. But because there's news at 1:30 p.m, I'm gonna hit a quick gym session. Just go there, do some pull-ups or something, just to kind of satisfy my back, and then get back home. So yeah, that's the plan of action. I'm hoping to catch a trade today so I can actually spend some good time on the charts for the whole session, and hopefully catch a trade. The aim of the game is just to take a trade, take the setup, take a good setup. That is it. See a setup, take the setup, execute on it, and that is it. That's all we need to do. I think we overcomplicate it. It doesn't matter what the result is in trading. What really matters is that you took a good setup. That's it. Like, whether it's right or whether it's wrong, whether it hits stop loss, whether it hits take profit, it doesn't matter. You done your job the moment that you executed the trade in alignment with your plan and with your setup and your entry model. So that's it. Trading doesn't need to be complicated. and I'm just deeping it to myself, so I'm deeping it to you guys as well. So hopefully that gives you a little bit of wisdom for what my mindset is now, literally being a professional trader now, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, just take this out, take the trade, and see what the result is after. So yeah, I'll see you in New York session. So there is a setup, but it's 10 to 4 right now, and it's not perfect. So mechanically, there's a setup that I would have a limit order set on right now, but discretionary, but applying discretion, I'm not taking a trade. Let me show you. As you can see, it's taken out the day high, and this would be the entry right here, because it failed to break above that high again, and then obviously it dropped through it. The area that it failed from was here, so that would be my entry. However, this upward movement here is not a sharp enough push for it to look like a real liquidity sweep to me. If anything, this looks like a more of a liquidity sweep than this upward movement. This was just like a gradual progressive movement up. This looks like the liquidity sweep to me. So yeah, 9 minutes left, and I think this is gonna continue to go all the way up. So yeah, man, let's see what happens. But it's gonna be a no trade day for me today. But yeah. Yo peeps, so today is Friday the 13th, and it's 2 p.m. I haven't been on the charts. Obviously there was news at 1:30, so I wasn't really trying to be trading anyways, but I'm currently at work, currently got a shift last minute, so I thought let me jump in. I'm not mad that I've only had one trade this week, because it's been a crazy week in the markets anyways, with news, CPI, NFP, all of this kind of stuff. So yeah, I'm not mad. So there's 1 hour left of the session, and yeah, my current situation is I'm on a massage chair, and yeah, markets ain't giving me nothing today. They ain't looking like no setup. Like prices swept the low and the high on a couple currency pairs, but it's not giving me a setup. So let's see what happens, man. That price action is very, very sloppy today. So yeah, we shall see. Okay guys, so I'm in a trade, managed to catch one. Can you imagine, last day of the week and we are in a trade. So let's see how it goes. Yeah, I managed to catch this trade on my phone, and I literally just got in now and watching the trade on my laptop. So yeah, I'll let you know. Right, and just like this, we are about to be stopped out, which is annoying because price went 1 to 2, like it flew 1 to 2, and then obviously it's come back down and it's about to stop me out. And in all honesty, it's more than likely, like, I took the trade knowing that it's in an area where there's consolidation, which means price can manipulate, which is the spike up, and then it can distribute towards the downside to take out my stop loss, which is pretty much what it's doing and what it has done. So let me show you. As you can see, price flew, went 1 to 2, and then dropped like a bomb. So yeah, minus £10 on my flip account, and I have one more trade left on the account, unfortunately. So that brings my account balance to roughly £180 or £182. I've got one more trade left, and my instant funded account is down by minus 4%. So that is the situation. And yeah, but next week we're switching on to my new live account, which is at break even. So hopefully run up the bag next week and make some money so I can withdraw the following week. So yeah, I'll see you on Monday.